Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the intensity of the interior lighting on the Seat Arona. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can change the brightness of the instrument lights, the front background lighting and the footwell lighting. Follow the steps to learn how to do it. Tap the car button to the right of the screen. Then tap Settings at the bottom of the car menu. Choose Light from the options. Under the Interior Lighting heading, you can choose which lighting you would like to change. Then use the plus and minus buttons or the slider to increase or decrease the lighting. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.